Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create a waterfall video for your Instagram reels from CapCut application. So the things that you need to do, just open your CapCut, and after that let's create a new project by click this part. And after that you just need to go click stock videos. Since I don't have waterfall videos, I will like to use this stock video, and it's in a search button. You just need to type a waterfall, and don't forget to change the type over here. So from the type here, you just need to go click the video, and the CapCut system will be give a bunch of waterfall video for you that you can use, and you just need to choose one of them. And for me, I think I will like to use let me choose first this one. Okay, just wait until it's generated. Okay, and whenever you're done, you just need to go click add into your project. And now we already have the clip. Since we want to use it as Instagram reels, you just need to change the ratio by click this aspect ratio, and choose this 9:16, because the ratio of Instagram reels is quite the same with the TikTok. And after you change the ratio, go click done. And now the things that you need to do next is just adjusting the size of the clip by pinch with two of your finger and positioning the part that you want to show into the video. And whenever you're done, you just need to take a look on the result. So here I will like to make a slow-mo video, so I need to adjust the speed by click this part and go click normal. Just drag it the point into the left side into the specific speed that you need. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click done. And now you can also adjusting the color grading to make it more better visual. But then here I will like to do it mask, so you just need to go click the video, drag into the left side until you find a mask, and after that you just need to choose this horizontal, and I will like to invert it, and I will like to drag this point into downside so that the mask become transparent. And after that, just need to adjusting okay, there we go. And after that, just go click done. And now the next thing we need to do is just adding the text for the caption or motivational led sentence. So for example, and whenever you're done adding it, you just need to go click checklist button, and after that you just need to adjusting the size and adjusting the length of the text as well as the video. If you think that it's too longer, you just need to split it and delete the rest. And here is the results. And whenever you're satisfied with everything, you just need to go click export and go click Instagram. And after that, you just need to go click the feed. Now you can also edit the video and adding the audios that how to say, like popular this day, to make your video make pop up or being popular too. Click next, and now your video is ready to upload as your Instagram reels. So that is the way how to create waterfall video for your Instagram reels. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.